Today we are going to listen Ek Tinka from class 7 lesson 13. The meaning of the poem is a small piece of grass, Ek Tinka. The writer of the poem is Ayodhya Singh Upadhyay Hariaudhji. The poem tells us the moral that we should not underestimate anybody. We never know the potential hidden in other people, and also we should not be overconfident about ourselves. The best example is the story Lion and the Mouse, which you would have learnt in your young age. In that story, the mouse, which is very small in size, saves the king of the jungle. Let us see how this moral is being explained in our poem Ek Tinka. मैं घमंडों में भरा ऐंठा हुआ एक दिन जब था मुंडेरे पर खड़ा. एक दिन one day जब था when खड़ा standing मुंडेरे balcony. One day when I was standing in the balcony, मैं घमंडों में भरा ऐंठा हुआ. So how I was standing with घमंडो, pride. Bhara is filled up, so I was filled up with pride. Ainta hua. Ainta is an arrogant posture. So I stood up with an arrogant posture, with a full of pride about myself. मैं घमंडों में भरा ainta हुआ. एक दिन जब था मुंडेरे पर खड़ा. अचानक दूर से उड़ता हुआ. So अचानक suddenly. अचानक something suddenly comes up. दूर से from very far away. उड़ता हुआ, flying. So something that is flying from far away, it comes towards me suddenly. एक तिनका आँख में मेरी पड़ा. What is that? That is a tinka. That is a small piece of grass flew up and it fell into my eyes. मेरी पड़ा fell into my eyes. आँख. एक तिनका आँख में मेरी पड़ा. मैं चिचक उठा हुआ बेचैन सा. लाल होकर आँख भी दुखने लगी. As soon as it fell into my eyes, चिचक उठा. So I was shocked and scared by the sudden fall of the tinka, that is a small piece of grass. Huwa bechain sa. Bechain sa is being restless. So what happened to me? I have become restless because of the small piece of grass that fell into my eyes. लाल होकर आँख भी दुखने लगी. लाल होकर is becoming red. My eyes becoming red in color. लाल होकर आँख भी दुखने लगी. It also gave me dukh. It also gave me pain. That small piece of grass made my eyes red in color and also it pains a lot. मूंठ देने लोग कपड़े की लगे. ऐंठ बेचारी थबे पाँवों बगी. Moont is the lump of cloth, that is a bundle of cloth which we used to keep on our eyes when something fell into our eyes. So moont dhene log, so people, log is people. People have come to give me stayed, so that is kapade ki lage. So they have kept a cloth on my eyes with the moont, with the lump. Ain't bechari thabe paavon bhagi. Because of the pain and the restlessness, what happened is ain't bechari. Ain't is the arrogance and the pride which I had, bechari, that poorless thing, what happened? Dhabe paavon bhagi. Dhabe paavon bhagi is the muhavara, that is an idiom meaning ran away without no one knowing. The meaning is vanished. So what happened is ain't bechari, my arrogance has been vanished. Dhabe paavon bhagi, without anybody's knowledge, it passed away. My arrogance passed away because I could not bear a pain of a small grass. Why should I be so arrogant and pride? जब किसी ठब से निकल तिनका गया. ठब is some way, तरीका. जब किसी ठब, by some way, by some means, निकल तिनका गया. So the tinka, the small piece of grass has been taken out. निकल गया. तब समझने यो मुझे थाने दिए. समझ is my thought, my conscious. तब समझ, my conscious, मुझे थाने दिए. It made fun of me. थाने दिए is making fun of. So it has been given ironically that I learned a lesson from a small piece of grass. तब समझने यो मुझे थाने दिए. My thought, my conscious made fun of me like, ऐंठा तू किस लिए इतना रहा? Why are you so arrogant ain't था तो किस लिए? Why are you be so pride and arrogant? इतना रहा, why are you being like that? एक तिनका है बहुत तेरे लिए. One small piece of grass is more than enough for you. बहुत तेरे लिए. It has taught you the moral. The moral is that don't be so arrogant and proud of yourself. There is more to learn from this world. So children, hope you would have understood the poem. Read and enjoy the poem. Thank you.